the proposed phase 1. Before that, I would like to inform all of you that this time, instead of 9 phases, we have 7 phases of election. Phase 1, date of issue of gazette notification. Notification होने के gazette notification होने का दिन 18/3/2019 Monday. Phase 1, last date of nomination, आखिरी तारीख nomination की 25/3/2019 Monday. Last date of nominations 25th March 2019 Monday. Date for scrutiny of nominations 26th March 2019 Tuesday. Last date for withdrawal of candidature 28th March Thursday. Date of poll first phase 11th April Thursday. Date of counting 23rd March Thursday. 23rd May 2019, sorry. Or date before election shall be completed 27th May 2019. Phase 2, date of issue of gazette notification 19th March. Last day of nomination 25th March, 26th March. Date for scrutiny of nomination 27th March. Last date of withdrawal 29th March. Date of poll 18th April. Date of counting same 23rd May. Phase 3. Date of issue of notification 28th March. Last day of nomination 4th April. Date of scrutiny 5th April. Last date of withdrawal of candidature 8th April. Date of counting, of course, 23rd. Date of poll, 18th April. No, we are sending you all this by, after I have read it through, you are getting it all by soft copy, almost right away. I'll read out the phase 2 again. Okay. No, I'll read out the phase 2 again because she's asked for it.
Sir, hello.
Phase 3, okay. Thank you. Phase 3. Phase 3, date of issue of gazette notification 28th March. Last date, we'll come to that after this. We'll come to that after this. That is the second statement. Last date of nomination 24th April. Phase 3, date of scrutiny 5th April. Last date for withdrawal of candidature 8th April. Date of counting 23rd May. Date of counting. Date of poll 23rd April. Phase 4. 23rd April. 23rd April. Is it clear now? Phase 4. Date of issue of notification 2nd April. In fact, the most important are 2 dates that I can give you instead of giving you 7 dates. The date of poll 29th April and date of counting same. Phase 5. Date of issue of gazette notification 10th April. Date of poll 6th May. Phase 6. Date of issue of gazette notification 16th April. Date of poll 12th May. Phase 7. Date of issue of gazette notification 22nd April. Date of poll 19th May. And all, sorry, I'll repeat the date of poll. First phase 11th April. Second phase 18th April. Third phase 23rd April. Fourth phase 29th April. Fifth phase 6th May. sixth phase 12th May, phase 7 19th May. Am I clear now? And all countings without no need to say, but I am repeating 23rd May. Now the Lok Sabha state-wise details if you want, or otherwise I'll just tell you that in phase 1 there are total 543 constituencies, as you are all aware. Phase 1 is 91. In 20 states, phase 1 is 91 in 20 states. Phase 2 is 97 in 13 states. Phase 3 is, phase 1 is 91 constituencies in 20 states. Is it clear? Phase 2 is 97 constituencies in 13 states. Is it clear? Phase 3 is 115 constituencies in 14 states. When I say states here, it also means states and UTs. Phase 4 is 71 constituencies in 9 states. Now, 71 constituencies in 9 states. Phase 5 is 51 constituencies in 7 states. Phase 6 is 59 constituencies in 7 states. Phase 7 is 59 constituencies in 8 states. You want me to read it out once more? Phase 1, 91 constituencies, 20 states. Phase 2, 97 constituencies, 13 states. Phase 3, 115 constituencies, 14 states. Phase 4, 71 constituencies, 9 states. Phase 5, 51 constituencies, 7 states. Phase 6, 59 constituencies, 7 states. And phase 7, 59 constituencies, 8 states. The notification, the formal notification of by-elections in all the seats, etc., is being made separately today itself. Jammu Kashmir. States going in single phase. Andhra, Arunachal. Before now reading further, it must be clear that they will be overlapping. Same state will be named maybe in 2 phases or 3 phases. But still I am reading, I start reading now. States going in single phase, Andhra, Arunachal, Goa, Gujarat, Andhra, Arunachal, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Punjab, Sikkim, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, I said Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand, Andaman Nicobar, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, all right. You have waited for so long, I'll repeat. Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttarakhand, or you want me to repeat from the beginning? Andaman Nicobar, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Delhi, Pondicherry, Chandigarh. In all 22 states going in single phase. States undergoing 2 phases. Karnataka, Karnataka, Manipur, Rajasthan, Tripura. States undergoing 3 phases: Assam, Chhattisgarh. States undergoing 4 phases: Jharkhand. 3rd phase, Assam, Chhattisgarh. 3 phases. 4 phases, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha. Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha. 5 phases, Jammu Kashmir. 6th phase, no state. 7th phase, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. And now I'll read out once more. First phase, 22 states and UTs. Second phase, 4 states and UTs. 2 phases, 4 states. 3 phases, 2 states. 4 phases, 4 states. 5 phases, 1 state. 7th phase, 3 states. You see, the issue also is that there has to be ensured the movement of the CPFs from one place to the other, and they go by trains, etc., and then they require some time for initial settling down, which is how all this has been done.
Now
Jammu Kashmir.
now